This looks like a fairly complicated one to simplify. I've got 4 terms in the numerator, and I am going to have to factor that. So one technique for factoring is factoring by grouping. So I'm going to look at just the numerator over here, and I'm going to group these two together with these two and these two. So if I common factor the first two, I can tell that I've got a p squared that is common, and that leaves me with a p plus 3. And in the second two terms, I've got a 4 that's common that I'm going to pull out, and again a p plus 3. Notice now that the p plus 3 is common to the next line, and that means I common factor again. So p plus 3 I pull out, which leaves a p squared and a plus 4. So there is my factoring of the numerator. While I'm at it, I'm going to factor the denominator, and that is simple trinomial factoring. So what multiplies to give me -6 and adds together to give me +1. So the answer there is a 3 and a -2. So now I'm going to put this together, and notice how I make an equal sign here to follow the problem. I'm going to put in the information that I had on the right here into my solution. So the numerator is p plus 3 and p squared plus 4, and the denominator is p plus 3 times p minus 2. Now I'm going to cancel these two here, and I'm left with p squared plus 4 over p minus 2. Now it's very tempting to think that this is factorable, but it's the sum of squares, so it is not factorable, which means the answer has to be left like this.